position.
Beyond this point lies the Hammer's territory. You want to go the safe route or the fast route?
The usual one.
I'm gonna stop asking. There's a couple of small patrols in the area. Nothing you can't handle, though. I've been trying to reach out to the Hammers, work out a peaceful solution. But nowadays, most of them are trigger-happy, drugged-up brutes. I have no idea how Armand kept them in line.
He didn't. That's the way he liked them.
There's just no end to them. I don't get it. The Hammers keep picking fights with everybody. Yet there's always like a billion of them around. Guess they're not picky when it comes to recruitment. They seem really pissed off. Though I suppose that's to be expected. You did kill their boss.
They were already like this before I did.
God, they're pissing me off.
The Hammers?
The Hammers. And the church. And all the gangs. All I want is to survive at all costs. Even if it means pushing everyone else down. Nobody sees the bigger picture.
We do.
Yeah. And look where it got us.
What are you?
You're getting close. Let's hope they've got something we can use in there.
And if they don't?
Then all we can do is hope that Kira tracks down Mitra's signal.
That didn't sound confident at all. I'm hurt.
Kira, what are you doing on this channel?
I keep an eye on all of our channels, just in case.
They aren't our channels, not the encrypted ones.
Fine, fine. I'm leaving.
God, I hate her.
Now that's just me.
Get out! Jeez, where did they learn to move like that?
I think you know.
Right. There's a whole bunch of them ahead. Perhaps you should look for an alternate entrance? Perhaps not.
No point avoiding the small fry.
Team Kira reporting in.
You're not Team Kira. You're not Team anything. What do you want?
I figured out a way to track Mitra.
That's good. You, need help with that?
Help? No. Access to Jack's system? Yes.
Wait, what for?
The only signal a Ghostrunner system will automatically respond to is...
Another Ghostrunner signal?
Correct. Takes a thief to catch a thief. Or something like that.
Smart.
Of course it is. Now, give me the access, Jack.
Done.
You're almost there. It seems like you're approaching... a warehouse?
What do you think is inside?
Loads of stuff, most likely. These warehouses were built to store the equipment used for Dharma's construction. Whatever couldn't be repurposed is probably still rusting in there.
A pile of scrap untouched for a century.
Up until last year, this area was heavily guarded. Keymaster had a tight grip on all the resources in Dharma. Any progress?
Not yet. The range at which I can ping him seems to be pretty limited. I'll try to boost it, but it's gonna be tricky. Ghostrunners are not meant to be detected, nor to detect.
So that's it for this genius idea.
We'll find him eventually.
Oh, I know we will. I'm finding this bastard one or the other. But every hour he's out there is an hour too long. Eventually, it just doesn't cut it. Almost there. Just one more push. Do the honors. It's
Bike.
wow, not what I expected. Think where this must have been.
Sorry to interrupt your bonding time, but it's kind of urgent. I've tracked down Mitra's signal, but it's almost out of range.
Is it ready?
I've unlocked the ignition, but
Good.
you have no idea how to ride it.
I'll figure it out. Kira, where is he?
Just get out of the warehouse. I'll direct you from there. I'm using your SSW chip to ping his.
My what chip?
Your U chip. Once he gets too far from you, he's gone. Don't lose the signal.
Where's he going?
Hard to tell. Stay on him, and we might be able to extrapolate his destination.
How is he so fast?
Must have gotten a ride of his own.
I don't know. Those Ashura types are not your regular GRs. Okay, I think I can tell where he's headed.
Where?
Outside. Should we just let him leave?
Hell no.